Hey, this is Igor. In case you're all wondering, this is a new super tiny phone I got. Brand new, just came out by Unihertz, called the Jelly Star. This is their fifth one. Technically, there was the Jelly Pro, then the Jelly 2, which I'm actually using to record this unboxing of with. Then the Jelly E, no, sorry, 2E, I believe was called. Now this one, the Jelly Star. Let's see. I'm not going to show any features. We're going over the phone right now. I'm just going to open it in this video. If any of you guys want to see it, just let me know in the comments. And I'll try and make a video talking about the phone and showing off how to use it and whatever. There's a 3-inch phone with Android 13, I believe. I really love this silver box. Ooh, a little screen protector. So tiny. That's the size of it. Oh, hey, Unihertz, if by any chance you're looking to sponsor people, I'll happily take any others you want to send me to review. Hopefully in the future, like maybe any of the Blueberry phones. I never had any. I think they're called the Titan line. Maybe the rugged ones. And if you all hit like and subscribe and notification bell, you'll get notified when I release any more videos. Hopefully let me make more videos like this. It's a red phone. Comes with screen protector pre-installed. The case already on it. I love how the phone's transparent. And these things, they light up with notifications. Let's see, power, action button, SIM tray, USB-C charger, speaker, hook for a lanyard, volume up and down, headphone jack. Not sure what that is for. Frame sensor, flash, 48 megapixel camera, I believe. USB charger. Let's see what else comes in here. Expanded lanyard. USB to angled USB-C charger. That's very nice. So I have to find my old USB charging block. It's very Unihertz, you didn't make USB-C to C charger, but that'll do. Okay, that's it for today. Just let me know in the comments if you guys want to see more. And have a good day. See you next time.